Welcome back. What we now want to do is to make sure our membership is working properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Wishlist Member and we're going to go to the Members area. And what we're going to do inside of the Members area is we are going to add in members to specific levels. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this green button and we're going to write in a member and add them to a level. We're going to give them a username and we're going to send them a new member email notification. We're also going to give them a password. Once we do that, then our member will then be added. We can then check that email to make sure that the member has received an email. Now the individual that we have set up will get an email. So we now have that email in our box. What we're going to do is we're going to log in as that individual with the username and password given to us by Wishlist member. Now we notice upon login that we're taken to the website front page, and that's not going to be what we want. So we're going to need to go inside of our product and we're going to need to edit our redirects. So we're going to come back inside of Wishlist member. We're going to go to the setup. We're then going to go inside of our level. We're then going to go to the additional settings. We're then going to control our redirects. So we're now going to configure our redirect. And we're going to redirect the individual for this product to this page and click Save and Close. We're going to do the same thing, custom login after login redirect. We're going to turn that on. And we're going to have the individual logged in to this page. And click Save and Close. Now when the individual logs out, we're going to configure this and we're going to show them a specific message. And we're now going to click Save and Close. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and log out of our site and log back in. So we're going to log out on the home page and we see our success message. We have been successfully logged out of the site. We're now going to log back in and we're going to log in here. This time we are redirected immediately upon login to our lesson where our content is. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.